Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin, and today we are going to learn mass updates. What is mass updates? Mass update means updating multiple rows in a record in one attempt. For example, we want to change multiple values in a record in one attempt. So in that case we use mass updates. It is done with the help of two techniques, that is the saved mass update technique and another is scripting with the help of script. In this video we will learn saved mass update. What is saved mass update? Now let me show you some practical work. Now see, from the very first series very first video of this series, we have created one record, that is the monthly visitor information. Now monthly visitor information, we have taken 3-4 values: visitor name, purpose of visit, education level and marital status. Now if you see here, most of the marital status value is empty, you can see. Now instead of changing that value one by one, I want to update all these values in one attempt. I want to put a general value, that is single. I want to put single value in every record, right? So what I will do, first of all I will go to this list here, mass updates, and then mass updates. This is the wizard technique. Let me show you. Now general updates, you have to click here on general updates, and then we go here custom records, because this is our custom record, and we will see monthly visitor information. Here it is, monthly visitor information. Now click on it. Now it will ask you for the criteria, what type of criteria you want to fill on which column. Now here it is, marital status, this is the column name, and if it is empty, right, is empty, set, is empty, marital status is empty, yes. If it is true, then it will ask you mass update field, which field you want to update marital status, and put here single, right, and then save it. Now once it is saved, now we have to go saved mass updates. Look at this, mass updates, saved mass updates. Now one thing we forgot, here we have to again rename it. Let's rename it marital status update, update marital status, so that we can easily identify it. Update marital status, and now again we will save it. Yes, now see here, if I click here update marital status, now preview, we have given our condition. Now these are the records where the marital status is empty. Look at this, the following updates will be applied to, these are the fields: marital status, it is empty, new value is single, and these are the empty values. Now if I press here perform update, custom monthly visitor information vendor, yes, mass update is complete and has been successfully performed on 10 records, right? Now let me show you where it is, monthly visitor record. Yeah, here it is, previously it was empty. Now I'm going to refresh it. Yes, now look at this, single. Now there is no empty record. Suppose I want to change it in any other value, we can do that. That means updating maximum rows, multiple rows in one attempt. So that is called the mass update. Let me change it again. For example, if I click here and I want to make it marital status, now it will not work because we have to change it like wherever it is single, start with single, right, set. just a second, single, it is case sensitive, so we have to make it like single, right? Start with single, update, what we need to do, married. Now it is saved. Now again if I click here and if I see the preview, now if I see the preview here, now see it will show the new value is married and the following updates will be applied on these fields. Now again if I click here perform update, yes, okay. Now see here, these are the single, 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 single. Now if I refresh it, look at this, everything is married here, look at this. So everyone is married here. So in this way we can perform mass update with the help of saved mass updates, and in our next video we will see how mass updates can be done with the help of script. And one more thing I would like to show you, suppose here it comes here, if you come here, yeah, we can do it with the help of scheduling also, we can schedule it also. Suppose I want this activity to happen on certain date, so in that case right now it is single event, but if you want to um, execute this query to a certain date, for example every Sunday, or to a given date, in that also you can schedule it with the help of scheduler. So this was all about saved mass update, and in our next video we will see with the help of scripting how we can apply the script JavaScript on it, so that we will learn on our next video. So guys, I hope this video will be more informative to you, and if you like my video and if you want to get the notification, please do subscribe my videos and subscribe my channel. Thanks for your time. Thank you guys.